For my final Summer at Your Library program, I will be showing you how to make your own lip balm. It's very easy, probably way easier than you're imagining. And you can easily get a lot of lip balm from this particular formula. So before we begin, let me show you what you'll need. For this project, you will need a mixing bowl, a spoon, some tubes for lip balm. You can get them cheaply offline, like Amazon, though some arts and crafts stores might carry them. Some beeswax palettes. You want to make sure they're cosmetics grade. Some coconut oil. And if you want, you can add something like shea butter or mango butter. It's optional, but it makes the lip balm nice and moisturizing. Another optional tool you can have is a funnel. You don't need it, but it does make getting the mixture into the tubes easier if you have it. So with our supplies gathered, let's get started. So one of the great things about this recipe for lip balm is just how basic it is. All you need is it to be 1 part wax palettes. These act as a hardening agent. 1 part coconut oil. And you can play around with the amount of coconut oil and beeswax palettes to get the sort of consistency you want. And this is optional, but you can also add some shea butter or mango butter in there to make it extra moisturizing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop this in the microwave, melt the base, and then mix it all together, and then we'll actually pour it into the tubes. Okay, so here's my lip balm base. It's been melted, it's stirred up. Now if you want to add coloring or flavoring, this is the stage where you would do so. You put it in. You can use flavoring oils, you can use food coloring, though I advise against using water-based food colorings because it probably will not combine properly. And just stir it up, get it the color and flavor you want, and then go ahead and start putting it in the tube. So here is my tube, here's my funnel. And usually it takes about 2 or so tablespoons to fill up one of these tubes. And you want to work quick because this stuff starts to harden pretty quickly. So there it is. There's the mixture in its tube. I'm going to give it about an hour or so to harden. And after an hour, we will take a look. Okay, so here's my finished tube. Take it off. And you can always decorate your tube or container if you want. Here's an example I made. I used washi tape, which you could find at the dollar store or the craft section about just about anywhere, and a gem with that adhesive on the back. Again, you could find that at the dollar store or the craft section of Walmart. You'd also use stickers. You could print out a label with a design on it, put it on there. And you don't have to use one of these tubes. You could, there's travel size containers for cosmetics, little travel size jars that you could put your balm in. You could probably too, if you have any makeup that's expired, jars of like foundation or face cream that's expired, you're about to throw out, you could clean it out, put your lip balm in that. I've seen people put lip balm in old Altoids tins, so you don't need one of these, well, unless you specifically want these. But yes, it's a very simple, basic formula. It's ultra moisturizing. It's really good results. Probably the only thing you might have some issues finding is the beeswax, but you could easily get it on Amazon still. But yeah, the coconut oil, the shea butter you get at Walmart or any grocery store, really. So I hope you enjoy this activity. If you tried it out, let me know in the comments. Let me know how many people watched, how many adults, how many kids, how many children. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your summer. Have a great day.